Good evening, my prepper posse. No intro, no outro. I can't. Right now I'm too tired. But I wanted to show you. The freezer's in. It's stabilized, everything is good. And still room to spare for up top. So this is the freezer. I'm going to put all the frozen food in. Yay. That's what I got for you. It took me, I don't know, a couple hours just to bolt everything down and make sure it was all in. So the stove will go here. Pots and pans, etc. For now, I still have work to do, but you know it's always a work in progress. But I'm so happy. It fit. It fit, it fit, it fit. Fit real well. And it opens, you know, all the way. So it's one of the pharaohs laying on the table out in the courtyard. See the eyes? Ooh. There we go. Alright, yeah, I got the lights on in the bus. I gotta go to bed. It's like 11:30. This is a quickie. Tomorrow's the big day, so I'll keep you all posted. Don't forget to play. See you!